Viking Therapeutics reports coming out just after 7 a.m. I'll get you the headline here right now. It had been moving up. We knew the data was coming. I don't think they knew the exact day yet, but it came this morning. So Viking Therapeutics announces positive top-line results from phase 2 venture oral dosing trial of VK2735 tablet formulation in patients with obesity. That's the headline. That's the headline from the press release. So that's the break. Then if you dig in, you can see the numbers. And the number looks like up to 12.2% weight loss. Wait a second. Positive top-line results, but I'm a human being. Positive top-line results, 12.2. What did Lilly do? Oh, yeah. We got to go back to Lilly. Well, they did 12%. And the stock fell 100 points. So what in the hell is VKTX Algos doing? Buying VKTX up, and you will not believe this, folks, but it did. On the initial headline at $42.09 is where it closed. Go back to VKTX. On the initial headline, they bought the stock to $61. Yes, it printed $61 this morning. VKTX on that headline. The initial algo was like, buy. And then nobody else bought. Why did nobody else buy? Because the trial results sucked. But they just read. So now this shows us that there are so many stupid, yes, I said it 4 times, algos out there. They're reading the headline only. There are people running algorithmic systems, not all of them. I'm sure you've got smarter systems, probably Citadel, other companies that are running better systems. But there are systems out there that are literally reading just the headline. The headline looks great. Viking Therapeutics announces positive top-line results from phase 2 venture. Sure, nothing wrong with the headline. It's positive. There was 12.2% weight loss. That's positive. But when you think about comparisons, it's not positive because Lilly did the same thing at 12 and they sold the stock off 100 points. And the one thing that Lilly has that Viking doesn't have is money. So what does this mean? It means who in the heck, I said heck, but Money must be happy I didn't say the other word because the YouTube algos, who in the heck is coming to buy VKTX when they had the same results as Lilly? The answer, nobody. Nobody's coming to buy this company. The takeover is over. There's no takeover coming. Not on those results. Those numbers need to be way higher. Why would Lilly come and buy Viking Therapeutics? There was an article yesterday floating around. Lilly may be considering buying Viking Therapeutics. Why would they buy Viking Therapeutics if their drug's just as crappy as their own? 12.2, not completely crappy, but not good enough. They needed to see like 15, 18, 20, 25, 30, something huge. So now Lilly's got just as good of a pill. Well, why are they going to go buy Viking? They've got their own pill and they have money. So there's no point to them coming and buying Viking whatsoever. So I think dead cat bounces to be sold in this. I don't think there's any acquisition coming. And it proves how stupid the algos are. They are stupid, folks. There is some that are genius algos. Don't kid yourself. Citadel, Virtu, they run great algos. They're good at market making. They're good at arbitrage. They're good at all that stuff. They're still not great at reading headlines. Algos are still not great at it. SoftBank Intel last night.
Wait, Dennis, can I just want to give Lilly did eventually bottom. It took, I just pulled up a 4-hour chart, to get a perspective. So it did go lower, and it took a little time and it bottomed. There was those nominal insider buys. Boy, I just looked at that pre-market low, and I know some of our traders were nibbling down there at 25.30. Don't know if you're going to see that again. So if you want in this stock, you're trying to cover a short, boy, oh boy, I would get on a decline. I would get out ahead of that 25.30. Where the stock goes long term, I have absolutely no idea. And now I know why
it's not good. The numbers aren't good. And there's going to be 1 million people on Twitter because there's a lot of people in the stock and then social media saying, oh, these were great results. No, this is like, somebody just said the absorption rate was higher. They're looking. Why do you think the stock just went down 30%? It's because the 12 is the number that matters. Sorry, we can talk about other things, but the 12 matters. The results speak for themselves here now. You know, the stock's down 30%. It's not down on good results. They hit Lilly on the 12. They hit Viking on the 12.
40 patients.
I know. They're smaller trials too because they don't have money.